Hey guys, and good morning. So just a little sneak peek here before I get to the real details of this video. So here I have my 2016 BMW M5 competition car. In the process of doing my JB4 DIY install, just really started doing everything. So you guys will see this full step-by-step DIY right here, but you know, just working on it. And of course, as you can see from the S63TU, plenty of hoses and everything else that you got to take off, but you know, it's what you're used to if you have an N54. So having a N54, you know, you're kind of around the same kind of things as far as just nuances of what the N54 does and stuff like that. So that's pretty much from that piece. But just to update you guys, if you didn't watch my last video, I'll put it up there above. The service engine suit light is still on, of course. You know, the big rule of thumb is to delete it off, let it, you know, see if it comes back on again, and then go from there. It comes back on every minute, every time the car cycles through everything. So every turnkey cycle on and stuff like that. So it is here to stay. I did pick up the two rear O2 sensors for my car. So I have that, and I'll show you guys that DIY because we'll get that one rocking and rolling. Then once we're done with that, I got some more mods to come here on the M5. So the main point of this video is, guys, is to say thank you. We hit 90,000 subscribers here on the channel, which is amazing. So I wouldn't be here without you guys if you weren't here supporting me. So, you know, coming back many years ago, right, to solely focus on the N54 335i, obviously still have the same car as when I started this channel. Unfortunately, there's a lot of DIYs that I did that never made it to the channel because it was way before I started the channel. So unfortunately, some good content was lost during that time, I guess to say. But trying to, you know, I was trying to make up for it all this time. So, you know, guys, thanks for sticking around, you know, checking out the channel, you know, referring it to friends and stuff like that, and just really sticking along for the ride. You know, so I bought the 2016 M5 competition car, having plenty of fun with that right now, adding a bunch of new mods that you'll see here very soon, and a lot of maintenance stuff. So we're gonna be hitting a lot of maintenance stuff here as well, you know, and also still hitting on the 335. Plenty more stuff to come as far as BMW related. But guys, thanks again. 90,000 subscribers, almost here to 100,000. Looking forward to that. And like I said, wouldn't be here without you. All right, guys, well, you know, stay tuned for the DIY for the JB4 on the M5. It's definitely gonna be nice. And you know, plenty more mods to come from that, and of course the O2 sensor DIY for the N54, and then a few other new things for the N54 that I'm trying to have in the works at the moment. All right, everyone, well, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thanks, guys. Cheers to 90,000. Here comes 100 here before you know it. All right, take care and have a great week.